Hello everybody, my name is Morgan Akins and this is my final exam ePortfolio video. Here is my ePortfolio that I created for children's literature. It has all of the major assignments for this course, and then it also has some resources here at the bottom and then some pictures of my work and just some fun stuff that I did throughout the course. So the assignment that best represents me as a teacher, I think, would be the family literacy backpack. That assignment, it had a lot to incorporate and a lot that you had to think about. It was very rewarding also to hear the feedback from the assignment, and it was fun to create a project that would get kids excited about literacy and learning and also get the parents involved. The assignment that I am most proud of would be the reader's response blog. The blog entries, all of them, they had a lot of information to incorporate. I also like this assignment because it allowed me to step outside of my comfort zone or outside of my box when it came to reading books. This assignment kind of pushed me towards the different genres and something that I may have passed up if I was picking a book myself. It forced me to read it and to look at it and really review it and see all that went into it. So that was the assignment that I was most proud of. And then the assignment uh, that was most challenging for me was the children's library field experience. That was the most challenging project for me just for time management purposes. It was hard to incorporate the hours into my already full week, but it was fun and it was rewarding definitely to actually get out there and experience working in a school and experiencing the students and what actually goes into a library. So it was definitely challenging time management wise, but it also paid off a lot. It gave me a lot of good experience that I could take with me and apply to my future class. Thanks so much.